In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Express Clipmaker to make TikTok videos. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your project, bring in your visuals, add eye-catching text, and finish it off with music or voiceover so it's ready for TikTok's vertical format. First, open Adobe Express, click on Video, and choose Clipmaker. This takes you into a streamlined workspace designed for short-form content. Clipmaker keeps everything simple and focused, so you can build a clean, dynamic sequence without getting lost in complex timelines. If your workspace looks a bit different, don't worry. Just look for the video section and you'll see the Clipmaker option. Next, select TikTok, or 9:16, as your video size. This vertical aspect ratio is critical for filling the screen on TikTok without black bars or awkward cropping. As you set up your canvas, imagine the safe zones. Keep text and important visuals centered and away from the very bottom and top edges where TikTok's interface elements can overlap. Starting with the right size now saves you time later. Now, upload your photos or video clips from your device or cloud storage. Bring in only what you need to tell a quick, clear story. Short clips and crisp images work best for TikTok's fast pace. Give uploads a moment to process, especially larger files. If you've shot content in vertical orientation, great. That will align naturally with the 9:16 canvas. If your clips are horizontal, position them thoughtfully so the subject remains the focus. Add text captions, then adjust your fonts, timing, and animations. Keep captions concise, using short phrases that viewers can read in a second or two. Choose fonts that are clean and legible on a phone screen, and use color contrast so your text stands out from the background. Align your caption timing to the visuals. Bring text on right as the relevant moment appears, and use simple animations like a fade or slide to draw attention without distracting from the content. Maintain a consistent style across the video so it feels cohesive. Finally, apply music or voiceover from the audio panel. Pick a track that matches your video's energy and set the music volume low enough to keep dialogue or captions easy to follow. If you're recording a voiceover, speak close to your microphone and aim for a steady, clear tone. Preview the audio with your visuals and make small volume adjustments so the music supports, rather than competes with, your message. And that's it. Your TikTok-ready video is built in Clipmaker, polished with captions and audio, and aligned perfectly to 9:16 for a smooth viewing experience.